So what we're doing in here, he wants a loft hatch, right, cutting into this ceiling. Can't really do a lot in this ceiling, but we'll get this loft hatch up. So how we're going to do it is 56 by 56. So 56 by 56, that'll give us enough room to get some timber on when we cut it, or we might even just stick it. We'll see what's up. I know I'm going to have to cut a joist out there. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to turn my ladder on. I turn my ladder on and then I see that line there, right? So when you think about it, you did have one over there, which is no good. Okay, Bass. Okay. So 500. Silver tape measure, just for it. Watch a film. Always watch a film. Cameraman's new to my camera, so he doesn't understand the wobble. Alright, so we're gonna have 500 there, yeah, Chase. 500. And then 500 there. Okay. 560. That's what I says, wasn't it? 560. 560.
Yeah.
You like that, don't you? 560. It's quite small, isn't it? 560. $560. Right. Then let me get masked up. Last up. Okay. Now there's two ways to do this. There's these new pants are falling out. Always got to remember there might be a cable up here if you're doing it in your house. So if you're unsure, cut a centre hole out and then have a look, see if there's a cable on your joist, because normally Sparky do the cable. We know there's no cables here, which is live, because we've rewired it and we've popped some cables up there, so we know there's some cables there but not there. Yeah? Okay. So I'm not messing about. Oh yeah. Okay, Bash. Right, so what we're going to do now? Hey. That frame here. This here chain there. Oh, look at that! Put it out! Put it out! Put it out! Right, just wants a little cat's nads out there. Cat's nads out! So I'm going to make it a little bit more. Then I'm going to leave these joists in. What I'm going to do is, what's that? Sheet roll. I'm just going to cut 1.5 inches up there, 1.5 inches up there, 1.5 inches up there. And then I'm going to knock that out. And then that, just that, even a fat man will get through that hole. Do you know what I mean? So there's no point cutting the joist out, you might as well leave them in. Just cut 1 inch out. And then that, there, chain there, gonna go boosh, straight back up there. And them holes, I'm gonna screw on today when I cut that straight. And then, it's gonna be a job in town. He's got a lot of cleaning up, like, but we don't worry about that. Can't make an omelette out of cracking eggs. Always remember that. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Right then, as you can see, it's been a very, very messy job. But that's what happens in these old buildings. 130-year-old, all that crap up there. Look at all my dirty clobber now, you know what I mean? But look at how tight the fit is. All the way around, can you see that? Can you see how good that fit is? And then it's even got little locks on it. Locks it. Not very well, like. Oh, it locks it, yeah. And then pop it up, throw it over, and we're into the loft. What a job. What a job. I don't think he's paid me enough for this. Do you know what I mean? I just don't think he's paid me enough. Right, I'm going to leave it now for them to clean up. And that's it. Bish Bash Bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Look at that, it's a masterpiece. Absolutely.